Hello, my amazing viewers on YouTube. I am Master Peter. Today, I would like to continue with the lesson which I put on my platform or on the channel on modular arithmetic, where I aim at a point. So now I want to complete it. So modular arithmetic, today we will look at how to find the mode of a negative number and how to draw a modular arithmetic table, both addition and multiplication. Then we use the tables to solve questions under them. So watch out for the video. Watch it to the end. Thank you. The mode of any number with a negative number with a mode. What it means is that we add the mode number to the negative number. So we have 3 plus 4 into brackets mode 4. So this will give us negative 3 plus 4 to give us 1. So now we have 1. So we find 1 mode 4 which is the same as 1 because 4 cannot go to 1. So we say that any number that the mode number cannot go into it, we will repeat the number. So that's how we solve this one. Then example 2. Negative 5 mode 2. So in this regard, we go by the same procedure. So we add 2 plus the negative 5 in mode 2. So this plus this to give us negative 3. Negative 3. So negative 3, sorry. So this now becomes negative 3. So now use the negative 3 plus 2 mode 2. So this will give us negative 1. So with the negative 1, let's continue. So negative 1, then we add 2 to it again in mode 2. So this will give us, so this like to give us 1. So now 1 mode 2 is equals to 1. So it becomes our final answer. So this is how we solve the negative number in a mode. So now let's continue with how to use this information to draw a table, addition and multiplication table for modular, and use the table to solve question. So let's continue. A typical question on how to draw addition and multiplication table of arithmetic modulo 6. Then B says use the tables to find the truth sets of I 5 times n is equal to 1. N times 1 is equal to 3. Then 2 plus n is equal to 0. And n plus 4 is equal to 1. So with the table, then we can solve this question. So the table is in modulo 6. So with our table, what we do is that we draw the table from 0, we number from 0 to the 6th number. Once it's in modulo 6. So we end at 5, from 0 to 5 will give us 6. We don't add 6 to it. Even if it's 5, modulo 5, we start from 0 to end at 4. Okay, so that's how to draw the table. So let's draw the addition table first. So the addition table goes like this. So our addition will be at the top. So we draw the table. One, two, three, four, 5. So the 6th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so one must come. So this how we draw our table. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, ends at 5. So I'm starting with the addition table first. So we are in modulo 6. So don't forget, we are in modulo 6. To find a number in modulo 6, when the number goes 6 times, and there's a remainder, the number cannot go to it again, then we write a remainder as an answer. If it's not up to 6, we write the number. Okay, don't forget that. So let's continue. So now, 0 plus 0 to give us 0. 0 plus 1. So this one will give us the same number. So let's write the numbers because the number R is 0 is the same number. So now let's continue. So 1 plus 0 will give us 1. 1 plus, so this one will be the same. Sorry, this one, 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 6 is 1 plus 5 is 6. So with the 6, when we enter, say we are find in modulo 6. So with 6, we write 0. We don't write the 6 because our modulo ends at 6. So we write 0. Then we come here. So this place with 2 plus this. So this plus this is 0. Okay. So then 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 1 is 3. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 4 is 6. So write 0. 2 plus 5 is 7. So we have remainder 1. Since we're going to 7, 1, remainder 1. So write the remainder 1 there. Then they say this one. So 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 3, 6. You write 0. 3 plus 4, 7. 6 go to 7, 1. Remainder 1. So you write 1. 6. 3 plus 5 is 8. So 6 go to 8. 1. So remainder 2. Then the same applies to this one too. So let's just follow 4. So 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. You write 0. 4 plus 3 is 7. You write 1. 4 plus 4 is 8. You write 2. 4 plus 5 is 9. We write 3. Then this one 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how we have our table for the addition of a modulo 6. So modulo 6. So that with this table. So now let's go to the multiplication table. So let's go to the multiplication table. So multiplication table. So we have the multiplication sign. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the last one, 6. So you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is our last number. Now we have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So now multiplication. So 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times, so all here will be 0, 0, 0. Then 1 times 0 is also 0. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 3, 3. 1 times 4, 4. 1 times 5, 5. So now here 1 is 2. 2 times 0. So here all of this one will be 0. Then 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. So since you write 0, 2 times 4 is 8. So 8, you write 2 because 6 into 8, it will go once remainder 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 10, 6 into 10, once remainder 4. Remainder 4. Yes, multiplication is remainder 4. Then 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2, 6, you write 0. 2 times, 3 times 3 is 9. So you write 3 here. 3 times 4, 12. 12 from 6, so we have 0 again. So that means 12. 6 going to be 2 times that, and the remainder, so we write 0 there. Then 3 times 5 is 15. 15, 6 into 15 to go to it 2 times. 2 remainder 3. 2 remainder 3. 4 times 1 is 4. So here 2, we have the same number. So 4 times 2 is 8. So we have 2 here. 2 times 4 times 3 is 12. You have 0. 4 times 4 is 16. 16. 6 will go to 16 2 times and remainder 4. Remainder 4. Then 4 times 5 is 20. 6 into 20 3 times, that's 18. Then remainder 2. Then this is 5 times 2 is 10. So remainder 4. 5 times 3 15. So 15 remainder 3. 15 remainder 3. Then 5 times 4 is 20. So remainder 2. 5 times 5 25 remainder 1. So 4 times 4 will give us 6 times 4 will give us 24. So remainder 1. So this is how we have our tables nicely drawn. This is an addition and multiplication table. So let's take question I. Question I says, which number? 5n. So we have 5 times. So this is 5 times n is equals to, sorry. So let's take this one. It's multiplication. So let's take it here. Let's take this one. So let's make it here. So question I says 5 times n is equals to 1. So if you find a true set, so s is equal to s. So let's write n because n is there. Listen, so n slash n is equals to, so let's see. So which one can we get? 5 times n will give us 1. So 5, so let's take 5 times n. So then now here, that will give us 1. So let's see. So it's this one. So it's 5 times 5. So our n is equals to 5. So the 5 will be here, then it will give us the 1. So it's correct. So our answer here is 5. Then I. Is that n times 1 is equal to 3. So let's write a true set. So n slash n is equal to which value of n? Which value here will give us times 1 will give us 3. So let's see. So times 1 column. So 3 times 1. So 3 times 1 will give us 3. So 3 times 1 will give us 3. So it's 3. So here n is 3. N is 3. So let's do addition sign. That's from the I. I said find a true set of 2 plus n is equal to 0. So n slash n is equals to, let's see. So addition, which number plus which number, which 2 plus which number will give us 0? 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 give us 0. So 2 plus 4 give us 0. So our n here is 4. Then the IV is that n plus 4. N plus 4 is equal to 1. So n is equals to, so let's see. N plus which number plus 4 will give us 1. So n, so 4. So we have 1 here. So 3. So it's 3. So the n 3 plus 4 will give us 1. So our answer here should be 3. So this is how we use the modular table, addition and subtraction, multiplication table to find in modulus to find this question. So that's how it is done. So please follow it step by step. Watch the video through well and see how it is. So with this, you can do this. Any question that will come in exams and modular, you'll be able to answer correctly. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment under my video if you see the video very interesting to you. Thank you. See you.